I'm gonna show you guys how to get a smoky look on top of this. So I have used 2 coats of Harbor in the Silk Mineral Paint line. So this is a nice smooth finish. The silk paint doesn't need a top coat or a primer. So I haven't had to top coat this or anything, making this process even simpler. I'm also gonna be using the Dixie Belle new Best Dang Wax brush, which is just a circle round brush, which I love for blending. And I'm gonna use just a dot of Fluff. This is the key player here today. We're gonna use the chalk mineral paint over the silk mineral paint, okay? So the chalk mineral paint's a little bit better for blending than the silk mineral paint. So all I'm doing is I have a little bit here on my plate. I'm gonna mist my surface just to have a little bit of water going. This paint is dry, okay, this is dry. And I'm gonna grab just a little bit of paint on my brush. Okay, small amount, you guys, like teeny, teeny, tiny. And I'm just gonna kind of start swirling over my piece. I'm gonna start on my edges. I want my edges to be a little darker. And I'm gonna just swirl my paint. And at some point, okay, I'm gonna add a little more water versus more paint to get the smoky effect. So it's just kind of feeling for the right amount of water and paint. So I'm gonna grab a little more paint. It's a bigger surface. So that's quite a bit of paint for the technique we're doing. I'm gonna do some water. You can see I added a lot of paint, and I'm just gonna keep moving it around. More paint. I'm gonna wipe my brush off on my drop cloth now. So as I'm ending, I'm using less water, less paint, and I'm just kind of working it in and working away my brush marks and any odd spots that I might have. And that's it. It's done. We have a perfectly cloudy look. Smoky. I want to say cloudy because of the colors, but it's a smoky look.